Okay, hey guys, it's Adrian from acanatomy.com. Welcome to the quick tip sessions. Again, I'm back. This is gonna be a very quick one. I don't know if it's gonna be useful. I don't know if you guys can hear these guys working outside, so I'm very sorry for that sound, which is quite annoying. But then I thought let me just record this once I've got free time for now. So these are our models. If you want to purchase them again, it's a say that to me /store. Let's say you've already painted your model, as you can see, very high detail. Let me put on the skin. Let's say, as you can see, okay, this is you've done with the skin detail. Now I'm sure you guys saw the title. It's turning from white to black. So let's say you want like a black complexion on the skin texture also. So this is a very quick and dirty tutorial. So I'm gonna click the second one and then go down to, I'm sure you've seen this before, probably paint, yeah, and then click adjust colors, and where you are, I can't find it. Oh my word. Let's start again. If I can frame it, let me return it to the center. Okay, let me grab this one. I'm just gonna, I see it's not in the center now. So let me grab this one. I'm just gonna duplicate it again once I'm done. So yeah, let's see. We poly paint, adjust colors. Still don't show. I don't know. Let me see. Oh yeah, now it shows. Okay. As you can see, look at that. It's so how you gonna find it? So what I've done, let me just return it back. So RGB gamma and then the RGB intensity was at 0. So it's a matter of just playing around with the RGB gamma and the RGB intensity. I'm just gonna dial this down a tad, probably like negative. Make it a bit not light. Let's say negative 0.2, and then I'm gonna dial the gamma, but it's gonna depend on your model. So let's say 0.3, or you can say 0.35. There you go. With just those few steps, we have a black lady now, black woman, with those simple steps. So if I import a white woman with that skin and just move her to the side, you can see the difference. So changing the skin complexion in just a few minutes or seconds with just those two switches. Probably you can play around with the texture if you're unhappy, but then I've just changed the color complexion in just a few seconds in ZBrush. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. Again, I'm Adrian from acanatomy.com. If you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to comment on the section below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for ZBrush anatomy tutorials uh, in a ZBrush or in a Blender. So again, I'm gonna be out, and don't forget to follow my other channel, my personal channel, where I share my advice how to make a living selling 3D models, and how to be an entrepreneur with just 3D. So yeah, thank you guys again for your time. Don't forget to purchase these models if you're looking for them. If you don't have the time to sculpt them yourself, they are very available for sale at our store at acanatomy.com. Again, I will see you guys on the next one.